The coronavirus in this country and those rare but troubling cases of heart inflammation in young people. A CDC panel tonight revealing that they have now concluded that there is a, quote, likely association between the vaccine and the inflammation. The FDA now finalizing a new warning that will go out to healthcare providers, parents, and the public. But the CDC and all of its advisors tonight still say the benefits of being vaccinated still far outweigh the risks, saying the risk of heart inflammation is actually greater from COVID than the vaccine. It comes as health officials sound the alarm about the Delta variant spreading across this country tonight in at least 48 states. There is concern not enough young people have been vaccinated. Just a third of people 18 to 24 have now been vaccinated. Tonight, the numbers here, 177 million Americans have had at least one dose. That's about 62% of people 12 years and older. And this evening, that moment with the First Lady, Dr. Jill Biden, on stage, an event with Brad Paisley, part of a push to get more people to get vaccinated, and how the crowd reacted to the numbers. And news tonight from a CDC working group just in on whether Americans will need boosters. Here's ABC's Eva Pilgrim tonight.
Tonight, a CDC panel finding a likely association between the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines and a rare, mostly mild heart inflammation in younger people, but saying the benefits of getting the vaccine still outweigh the risk.
While this association is concerning, know that a choice not to get a vaccine is not a risk-free choice, and it is a choice to take a much greater risk of not only suffering or being hospitalized or dying from the virus, but of getting myocarditis.
The experts pointing to a greater risk of heart inflammation from the virus itself, but the FDA finalizing a new warning that will go out to healthcare providers and the public. Out of more than 26 million doses given to young people, the CDC confirming 323 cases of the condition after getting a vaccine, mostly in males.
The good news is it's mild, it's short-lived, it appears to be self-resolving, and it's rare.
16-year-old Noah Hires was hospitalized with chest pain 2 days after getting the Pfizer vaccine. It went away within hours, but his doctors think the second dose may have caused temporary heart inflammation.
I would definitely encourage everyone to get their children vaccinated, and I think Noah feels the same way.
Yes. As far as we know, there's zero long-term effects from this, so 100% would still get the vaccine.
Health officials saying vaccinating young people is the key to crushing this pandemic. Just a third of 18 to 24-year-olds have been vaccinated. That age group now experiencing one of the highest rates of infection. Hospitals in Missouri are seeing it up close.
We've been seeing much younger patients needing management within the hospital, some as young as their late teens, in their 20s, in their 30s, and unfortunately all of those unvaccinated and very sick.
The more contagious Delta variant now in at least 48 states, accounting for nearly half of all infections across parts of the West and Midwest. First Lady Jill Biden with country star Brad Paisley in Tennessee, making a push for the vaccine in the South where they are struggling to get shots into arms.
You know, it's so wonderful to be back here in Nashville.
But when she revealed the numbers, the crowd wasn't happy.
Only 3 in 10 Tennesseans are vaccinated. And, well, you're booing yourselves.
The Delta variant giving the race to vaccinate new urgency. Experts warn if the country doesn't boost vaccinations, we could face a tough winter all over again.
We don't have enough population immunity to stop the spread of this virus, and we seem to have hit a wall. So when the winter hits, you're going to see more suffering and more hospitalization and more death. And because children are particularly vulnerable because many haven't been vaccinated, I think they will likely suffer greatly.
We're going to continue to follow this. Eva joins us now. Eva, several health associations issuing a joint statement today saying the risk of heart inflammation, as you pointed out there, is greater from COVID than from the vaccine. And I know there's also news tonight on whether Americans who have been vaccinated already will need booster shots at a future date.
Yeah, David, a CDC working group finding there's not enough evidence yet to support recommending booster shots, at least not now. They will continue to monitor this virus to see if they are needed down the line. David.
All right, Eva Pilgrim leading us off tonight. Eva, thank you. And
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.